Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring you a 2005 Cadillac XLR. This thing's got 40,900 miles on it. Thing is absolutely beautiful. It's been upgraded with some nice 20-inch rims. We're going to take you through. We'll show you the exterior, show you the interior, show you the engine, show you the undercarriage, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's go for a drive. This is a 2005 Cadillac XLR. It's got 40,949 on the miles. This one is invoiced as a Cadillac special delivery. So basically what this one was, it was the one that Cadillac took out, one of the representatives from Cadillac took out and kind of traveled across different regions to different dealerships, kind of showcasing this particular car. Limited number in the black. Obviously the miles are very low miles. It has been upgraded with some aftermarket rims that show very, very well on it. Very smooth. Basically the XLR was kind of designed with the Corvette in mind. Used lots of similarities from it. They had their own design with engine platform and drivetrain, but very similar high performance Cadillac two-seater. The handling is very good. You can also tell the handling on the wider tires that this one is set up with. It does have all your automatic temperature control, all the windows, top, everything does work as you see in the video. This one does have navigation.